Hey everyone, Jason Miller here from Miller Brothers Productions. 2020 has been a crazy year for all of us. I hope you guys are all safe and sound. But unfortunately, we do have some bad news, but we do have some good news too. The bad news is, due to the St. Mary's County Health Department capacity restrictions currently in place surrounding COVID-19, the 25th annual Haltech World Cup Finals presented by Wiseco has been postponed until November 3rd through 7th, 2021. The event will be back in 2021. The good news is that we are still sending cars down the racetrack in 2020. We created a brand new event this year that fits within the St. Mary's County Health Department guidelines that will temporarily replace WCF this year. The new event is called the Haltech Hail Mary Derby presented by Wiseco. This event will take place at Maryland International Raceway on November 4th through the 8th at the normal date. Visit the Derby website at hailmaryderby.com. Again, that's hailmaryderby.com. If you haven't already joined the Miller Brothers Productions mailing list, you can click the link at the top of the website and you can take and join our mailing list to make sure you receive all the news and updates and all the alerts about all of our events. Also, be sure to click the Facebook and Instagram icons at the top of the site to start following the brand new Hail Mary Derby Facebook and Instagram pages. For the Hail Mary Derby, we're going to be throwing out all the classes and the rule book at the Derby. The world's fastest imports and domestics are finally unleashed. Any turbo, any blower, any motor, any fuel, any weight, any tire, no rules. The format for this event will give racers the opportunity to participate in an event with mine and my team's track prep and unparalleled cool and dry atmospheric conditions so you can swing for the fence and making 3 to 4 Hail Mary passes a day in any trim you want for a total of 12 to 16 passes for the event. That's 2 to 3 times the amount of runs you would get at the Haltech World Cup Finals. There will be no eliminations at this event and no purse, only personal bests, bragging rights, and glory. You've all been begging for more track time. I get people hitting me up all the time. They want to run good conditions, a good track prep. Here is your chance. Have fun, remove the pressure of a race, and go for it. No guts, no glory. Some racers will want to run quarter mile, and some racers will want to run eighth mile. We will accommodate both. And the scoreboards will remain lit all weekend long. Call-outs, grudge matches, special shootouts are all welcomed. The Derby will have the same size and level of the WCF and MDIR track official staff, along with the fire and safety teams that you've all come to expect to keep the pace rolling and everyone safe at the event. Even though we're throwing out the classes and the rule book, all racers must still comply with IHRA safety rules, and all cars must still have an engine diaper or a belly pan except for the all-motor domestics. If you go to the menu and you click the Racers/Show button, you'll scroll down and it has the table that has all the information on how pre-registration is going to work. There will only be 220 racer spots available, allowing racers to get more runs at the Derby. All racers will be limited to 9 crew members per team. Racers can purchase their crew passes only at the time of pre-registration. You can't buy them later. You can only buy them when you pre-register. There will be 2 stages of racer pre-registration. Stage 1 will be on September 9th from noon to midnight. It's only 12 hours to pre-register. This stage 1 is only open to racers. This stage is only open to racers that qualified in their 8, 16, or 32 sides field at the 2019 World Cup Finals. If you did not qualify last year at the event, you cannot pre-register in stage 1. Stage 2 will be on September 11th from noon to midnight. This stage is only open to racers that were registered at the 2017, 2018, or 2019 World Cup Finals. Whether you qualified or not at 2017, 2018, or 2019, you can register on stage 2 on September 11th. We will open up spots to new racers if there are any remaining spots after stage 2 closes on September 11th. New racers will need to email me at jason@mdpevents.com after September 11th to request consideration for an entry at the Derby. Also, all racers at the Derby will receive 1 extra vehicle pass at no charge. This will be free. This will be for an extra motorhome or car or truck to fit in your pit space. The extra vehicle must fit beside your trailer in front of your race car inside your pit space. You can only claim the extra vehicle pass when you arrive at the gate with your race trailer. The extra vehicle or motorhome must be behind your trailer when you arrive in line. Racers will not need to upload a minimum ET video when you pre-register this year because you've already passed the minimum ET in either 2017, 2018, or 2019. So you will not need to upload a minimum ET video this year. Once all 220 racer spots are sold, we will start a waiting list at the MVP office. You please call the office here at 240-349-2538. That number is also on our contact page of hailmaryderby.com. You get on the waiting list. It's very important to do so because people break every single year, and we do go to the waiting list. That people that can't make the event, so make sure that you get on that waiting list. Racer spots are not transferable to other racers unless I give you permission to do so. You'll have to email me or call here at the office to get permission from me to transfer to another racer if you are broke and can't make the event. We're going to go back up to the menu right now, and if you click the schedule button on the website, it'll bring you down to the schedule. We're going to scroll down to our Wednesday, Thursday. I'm going to explain everything here to you. Gates open on Wednesday for parking at 8 a.m. Wednesday will be for parking and tech only. We're going to be open for parking and tech. Parking from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Safety tech inspection from 12 noon to 9 p.m. Gates close on Wednesday at 9 p.m. There'll be no racing on Wednesday, just parking and tech from noon to 9. On Thursday, again, we'll open up again at 8 a.m. Racer parking will be from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Safety tech inspection will begin from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. And then we're going to get into the Derby sessions. We will run 4 sessions on Derby at 10 a.m., 12:30, 3 p.m., and 5:30. And the 4 session we run time permitting. We will start with all motor group, then front wheel drive, all wheel drive, rear wheel drive slick cars, then rear wheel drive radial cars, and we'll stay that same run order for 3 sessions. The 4th session we run time permitting. Gates close on Thursday at 9 p.m. Then we'll scroll down to Friday and Saturday. Friday, gates open at 8 a.m. Parking again 8 to 9. Tech inspection will be the last day to arrive to get teched in on Friday from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Again, we will run 4 more sessions on Friday. The 4th session on Friday again is run time permitting, and the same run order: all motor, front wheel drive, all wheel drive, rear wheel drive slicks, rear wheel drive radial. Sessions will be at 10, 12:30, 3, 5:30. And Saturday, same thing. Gates open at 8 a.m. We will have 4 sessions again on Saturday. 4 sessions run time permitting. The sessions will be at 10, 12:30, 3, and 5:30. Gates close at 9, and that'll be a duplicate on Sunday. Gates open at 8 a.m. 4 sessions on Sunday. 10, 12:30, 3, 5:30. 4 session again is time permitting. And as you notice here, we have 16 sessions if we get through 4 a day. But even if we only get through 3 sessions, that'll give you 12 runs at the Hail Mary Derby. All right. Next, we will run each group in qualifying. All right. So all motor cars we run in qualifying. Whether you're a nitro all motor car, whether you are an M1 car and an MRA car and an MCA car or whatnot, you will all be run in all motor qualifying. Front wheel drive will be running qualifying group. All wheel drive cars will be running qualifying group. Rear wheel drive slick cars will be running qualifying group, and rear wheel drive quarter mile will be running qualifying, along with a rear wheel drive 1/8 mile category for the radial guys. The reason why we're doing this is so everyone can see your best pass for the weekend, your best Hail Mary hit. Okay, and we will keep those results updated throughout the weekend. The format and run order for this will allow me and my team to prep for each group and the type of conditions and track prep that those cars need. All right. Next, if you scroll up to the flow link, you'll see on the right side of the website right here, you click on flow. The Haltech Hail Mary Derby presented by Wiseco will be covered by Flow Racing all weekend long. They signed a partnership with Speed Video and going to be doing the live feed for us. Fans from all over the world will be able to subscribe to Flow Racing and watch all the action live at the Derby. So make sure you subscribe today at flowracing.com. Link is right on the website of Hail Mary Derby. Our loyal media is still welcome at the Derby and to cover all the action throughout the weekend. Please email Chris at chris@mvpevents.com for your media credentials for the Derby. Next, we're going to go up to the website. If you click the vendor button on the top of the website, and then scrolling down, it has our setup times for vendors and sponsors, as well as our contact information if you want to get a spot at the Derby. I know Haltech and Wiseco, along with all of our other companies, will be at the Haltech Hail Mary Derby presented by Wiseco. Next, I want to talk to you about the NonJudged Car Show. If you go up to the top of the website, you click the Racers and Show button, scroll back down, it's going to bring you back to this link. You notice earlier I talked about the Stage 1 and Stage 2 racer pre-registration. We got this bad boy over here on the right, stage number 3. This is for NonJudged Car Show pre-registration. All right. The NonJudged Car Show and pre-registration opens on Monday, September 14th at 12 noon. This is open to any car, any truck, and anybody can enter. All right. And you get 9 crew members per car show entry. You must purchase your crew tickets at the time of pre-registration. You can't buy them later. When you buy your racer ticket or you buy your non-judged car show entry, it will have a drop-down box whether you want to buy 1 crew, 2 crew, all the way up to 9 crew members. You buy those and you'll be set. You must purchase your crew tickets at only the time of racer or car show pre-registration. There will be a limited number of non-judged car show entries sold, so be sure to get them before they sell out. The non-judged car show entries are transferable to anyone. So if you buy one, you can't make it, you can sell or transfer that to somebody else, no problem. For non-judged car show pre-registration information, the links on this page will go live at the date that this pre-registration opens. So whether it's stage 1 on September 9th, or stage 2 is September 11th, or stage 3 is September 14th, if Chris scrolls up to the page right now. And these links here for tickets and racer show will go live on that day that that stage opens up. So September 9th, September 11th, and September 14th, okay? There will only be crew tickets sold for this event, and they are $50 each. There'll be no spectator tickets sold. Crew tickets are good for the entire event, Wednesday through Sunday. There are no individual tickets available. No tickets will be sold at the gate. All crew tickets must be purchased at the time of racer pre-registration or non-judged car show pre-registration. So make sure you know how many crew passes you need for your non-judged car show or for your racer entry when you do so. And you buy them right on the website and on the date that those stages open up. All right. If you scroll back to the top of the page, all the information is on the website, hailmaryderby.com. Due to the county restrictions in place, we will be unable to have a spectator camping village this year. At the event, Chris Miller has already been in contact with all the reservation holders to begin handling refunds or crediting those booking towards WCF in 2021. Also, each race team is still allowed to bring 1 ATV, golf cart, or pit bike to the Derby, but no one else is allowed to bring golf carts, ATVs, or pit bikes. Only 1 per race team. Still the same rules, and they will be enforced at the Derby. This event could return in 2021 and another part of the year. Could be in the spring, could be in early fall, so racers can get ready next year for the Haltech World Cup Finals presented by Wiseco in the fall at its normal date in November. So be sure to mark your calendars for the Haltech Hail Mary Derby presented by Wiseco at Maryland International Raceway on November 4th through the 8th. Remember, Stage 1 racer pre-registration is for 2019 WCF qualifiers on September 9th. Stage 2 racer pre-registration opens up on September 11th for racers that qualified or did not qualify in 2017, 2018, or 2019. And Stage 3 pre-registration is for the non-judged car show for the grass parking lot on the pit side or the grass tailgate lot on the spectator side on September 14th. You can buy all your crew member tickets at that time. You're allowed up to 9 per racer or per non-judged car show. All right. We want everyone to make sure you're safe. Visit the site, hailmaryderby.com, join our mailing list. Also follow our social media accounts at Facebook and Instagram, and we'll see you at the Derby.
November 4th through 8th, Maryland International Raceway. No classes, no rules. The Haltech Hail Mary Derby, presented by Wiseco. The world's fastest imports and domestics, unleashed and going for broke on every Hail Mary pass. Non-stop action as every race car will be on kill, making 3 to 4 passes per day. Plus a Bender Midway, fast cars, the cool fall air, and legendary Jason Miller track prep. Holy Scoreboards will light up with quarter-mile and 8-mile times all 4 days, plus a non-judged car show where anybody can enter, with up to 9 crew per entry. 220 racer spots available with 9 crew per team. Tickets will not be sold at the gate. Racer pre-registration and tickets available only at hailmaryderby.com. November 4th through 8th, the Haltech Hail Mary Derby, presented by Wiseco, Maryland International Raceway.